Hello everyone, this is Avinash Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Avinash Krishna's Academy. So we are going to continue with the Introduction to Economics Part 2, and there are various concepts that we cover in this particular video. So in the previous video, you have learned about what is economic activity and activities which are undertaken for earning a monetary reward. In return, economics is a branch of knowledge concerned with production, consumption, distribution, and each and every keyword meaning that we have learned in the previous video. So now we are moving to the new concept called the economic problem and how this economic problem is arised or its reasons that we are going to learn in this particular video. Now, economic problem is a problem of choice involving in satisfaction of unlimited wants out of limited resources having alternative uses. So here you can observe there are three keywords. First one is unlimited wants, second one is limited resources, third one is alternative uses. So economic problem which arises when the human wants are unlimited. See, always humans will be having more desires, and if one want is satisfied, the another want will come into picture, and if that particular want is satisfied, then another want will be arising. So likewise, human wants is unlimited and it is endless. So sky is the limit. So likewise, the human wants is unlimited. So for this unlimited human wants, we have only limited resources in our nature. So in order to fulfill the wants of the human with the limited resources, so we have to have the alternative uses of the available resources in the environment. So that is the actual economic problem. Here the problem is the decision to be taken effectively. In order to take decision itself is a problem in this particular concept. So now we are going to moving on to the actual reasons of the economic problems. The first one is scarcity of resources. So what is scarcity of resources? Resources are limited in related to the demand, and economy cannot produce all what people want. Scarcity is nothing but the resources which are limited in nature. So that is known as scarcity of resources. And the second reason for economic problem is unlimited human wants. So human wants, as I said earlier, it is never-ending process. The wants are never-ending, as well as the human wants cannot be satisfied completely. So if one want is satisfied, the another new want will be emerging. So this is the main root cause of economic problem is the wants of humans. The third reason for economic problem is alternative uses. So here you can see the meaning, the resources are not only scarce, which means limited. Resources are not only limited, but they can put to various uses. It makes choice among resources more important. So here you can observe that the same individual resources which can be used in a different dimensional way. So that effective utilization is the main choice. The alternative uses of the resources is left to the intelligence of the human beings. So that is also one of the problem where effective utilization is not been undertaken properly, so that the economic problem can be resolved. So these are the reasons for economic problem. First one is scarcity of resources, which means resources are limited in nature. Second one is unlimited human wants which cannot be satisfied. So that is known as unlimited human wants. The third one is alternative uses. So when there is a limited resources, we can use it in a alternative manner, provided a person should know how to use the resources effectively. So these are the drawbacks or the reasons of the economic problems. The next is difference between resource and human wants. So we should know the differences: the scarcity of resources, unlimited human wants, alternative uses, the reasons of economic problem we have learned. Now let us know what is exactly the resources and what is exactly the human wants. Now the first, let us know the meaning of resources. They are scarce. The scarce is nothing but they are limited. So their supply is limited in relation to demand. The resources are always limited in nature. Human wants will be unlimited. It is just an opposite to the resource. Resources are limited. Human wants are unlimited. And the second point under resources, they have alternative uses. For example, water. Water can be used for drinking purpose. Water can be used in the production process. Water can be used in the manufacturing process, or water can be used for various other consumption purpose. So likewise, alternative usages without wasting the resources is known as alternative use or effective utilization of the resources. So that can be done under resources. When it comes to human wants are unlimited and they can never be fully satisfied. If one want is satisfied, the another want will be arising, and they differ in priorities. Always human tendency or the human wants, it always fluctuates, or depending on the priorities of the humans, the wants will be arising. So these are the differences between resources as well as human wants. Usually this question will be asked for 2 marks in the second PUC board examination. Thank you.